We're down the home stretch here. So the last segment is bank reconciliations. So after you've entered everything all month long, you've entered all of your checks, you've entered all of your credit card charges, your sales, your cash summary, then it's time to reconcile the bank. So when you get your bank statement in the mail, you're going to go into the Memorize transaction list, and you're going to enter anything on the bank statement that you have not previously entered, such as debit memos, pre-authorized charges, service charges, loan interest, anything that you didn't record, obviously. So when we go into banking, we go to reconcile, you choose your bank, and then you will enter the ending balance of your bank at the end of that month. So I've used this as an example. Go to continue. Now you'll see that all of this is how you'll see it as all unmarked. So when you're going through your bank statement, you're going to check off everything that has been recorded in QuickBooks. So you're going to go one item at a time on your bank statement, and you're going to check off these items randomly as you come across them on your bank statement. You have to have at least one document that you're going one down one at a time. And as you're checking them off on your bank statement and on QuickBooks, once you're finished, the unchecked items on your bank statement still need to be recorded. So those would be items, like I said before, like bank charges, loan interest, debit memos, paying by debit. Now, paying by debit, if you've already recorded those as a cash expense, you can't record them again as another expense because you'll be double recording it. So anything that you've recorded that you've paid by debit is actually a bank transaction and not a cash expense. So you actually have a choice whether you want to click. The easiest way is to just show all of your debits as cash, and then when you record your actual debits coming out of the bank, you'll offset the cash account with that because it wasn't actually paid by cash. So once you've checked off and entered all of the items that have gone through your bank for that month, you'll be checking off, for instance, I have everything under Memorize Transactions, service charges. So I set it up as you just add it all up, add up all your charges, and then you'll have it showing as debit bank charges, credit bank, and then for the month that it falls into. And then I'd memorize that as a general journal entry, which I've already done, so that when you go back to your Memorize Transactions here under List, you can see all of the entries that you've made, and it'll remind you of what you need to do for the following months. So I think this tool is a big time saver and also a good reminder of things that you need to enter. So we'll go back to our reconciliation. So on this side, so once you've clicked off everything that has gone through your bank, the only thing that should be left unchecked are the items that haven't cleared your bank yet. So those will carry forward to the next month. Now the only entry you'll have on this side is the one total bank deposit amount. So once you click on that, and if this balance here is 0, it means that you're reconciled, and you can click Reconcile Now. If it's not 0, then you have to look through your bank statement and see if there's any other items that you did not record, or if there's anything that cleared that you didn't check off here. That would be the only reason that you would not be balanced. So you can do the same with your credit cards as well. You can go reconcile, and you can reconcile your credit cards, and the same idea, you would just enter the ending balance and check off. Usually you just select all because you're entering them from your credit cards. statements, so everything that's in there should be recorded. And so that's basically how you would do your banking reconciliations. And once the bank is cleared to a zero balance reconciliation balance, that means that everything is recorded and you're good to go for the next month.